Today we decided to come out and hike the city of Sequim. We decided that it's too cold by our house and maybe raining, and the city of Sequim is usually about 5 degrees warmer, and usually there's no rain for some reason. We're officially on our hike. This is Hiking with Juan. Come along and hike the city of Sequim. This is part of the Adventure Trail, Discovery Trail, 147-mile hike. And today we're going to do about 3. It's amazing what you can see on a hike in the urban area. Bicyclists, tree houses, old broken fences, new mended fences, birds, lots of birds. You can see them. Here we are. We made it to the bridge. There's a bench in memory of somebody and a picnic table for somebody to sit down and have a sandwich. A couple of years ago, there was a massive windstorm, rain, etc., typhoon, I don't know what you call it, but it knocked down a bunch of trees. I don't know if you can see all those trees behind me. This bridge had to be reconstructed, and I think they opened it last year, but I don't remember the timeline. Even though I've seen a bunch of bicyclists and people walking with their dogs and just enjoying the day, this is a very quiet trail. I can hardly hear anything except for birds. Sometime the trail splits up into horse trail and bicycle trail, and I don't know where hiking trail becomes available, but some people hike up there with the horses, and some people hike down here with the bikes. Poor little car. A tree fell on it. So far, I'm really impressed with all the restrooms up here in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest. Most of the restrooms are very clean. Even the porta potties and the outhouses are very. They don't even smell. They don't even smell at the chemicals that they put on for the porta potties. But this is a brand new restroom, and it's beautiful inside. It's well lit. It has running water, and apparently the heater works too. It's amazing. I'm telling you. That was fun. Wow, I didn't know. That car has been there for many, many years. I don't know who put it there or what, but it looks like it's staged. You car buffs might recognize the brand of the car. I didn't. I don't know how ST or GT, or have no idea what that means. All I know is that I took some inventory. There was a log on top of it. There was some glasses or safety goggles, and there was a skateboard inside. I guess that's where the kids come and do some skateboarding on top of it. It's completely full of trash. Amazingly, it's not as bad as it could have been, because it's been there for at least, well, last time I saw it was 2 years ago, and it was right there, and it hasn't been vandalized. It's just a nice, neat experience, and I had a Running Man on it. So we come to an end here, we come to the end of our walkathon. So I'm all right, Jake. So we come to the end of our walkumentary. Walkumentary, you get it? Get it? Okay. Anyway, I want to thank you for coming along with me on this hiking with Juan. See, I keep forgetting this thing. I think I want to start over again. Thank you. Yes. So we've come to the end of our walkumentary. Thank you for coming along with Hiking with Juan, and I invite you to subscribe, like, and ring the bell so that you can get notified the next time I post another video like this. I hope you liked it. If you have a trail you'd like me to hike for you and film it, let me know in the comments, and I will try to do it anytime this century. Thank you.